court record and reporting. On July 17, 2025, Jonathan Andrew Felkel, 34 years of age, was driving into the gated community Valley community near Columbia, South Carolina, where he and Jarvis McKenzie, a black man, both lived. McKenzie was at the community gate when Felkel encountered him. According to prosecutors, Felkel fired a gun into the air and yelled at McKenzie to keep running. The important part of the case came during the investigation. Felkel told investigators that he believed black people were committing crimes in his neighborhood and that he assumed McKenzie was a criminal because he was black. Prosecutors said Felkel wanted McKenzie to leave the area. The federal government therefore prosecuted the incident as a civil rights hate crime, specifically alleging that Felkel used force or threatened force to interfere with McKenzie's housing rights because of his race. Felkel pleaded guilty in March 2026, so this was not a case in which a jury found him guilty after a trial. He admitted the essential facts underlying the federal charge. On July 16, 2026, federal judge Mary Geiger Lewis sentenced Felkel to 9 years, which is 108 months in federal prison, followed by 3 years of supervised release. It was the maximum prison sentence available under the plea arrangement for the federal charge. McKenzie told the court that the incident changed how he viewed his own home. He said his neighborhood, which should have been a safe place for his family, no longer felt that way. One significant legal point. South Carolina does not have a statewide hate crime statute. The federal civil rights law was particularly important in bringing the case. Felkel also still faces a state charge related to the incident. Prosecutors said this wasn't simply a confrontation between two neighbors. Their case was that Felkel encountered a black neighbor, presumed he was a criminal because of his race, threatened him with violence, and attempted to make him feel unwelcome in the community. Felkel ultimately admitted the racial motivation and pleaded guilty.
Merritt, what makes this situation especially troubling is that home is supposed to be a place where someone feels safe and belong. Being targeted because of your race can take that sense of safety away, even when the physical harm is limited. And the fact that the case was handled as a federal civil rights violation shows how seriously the government viewed the racial component.
It's a problem somebody ain't dropped LDA. They just listening to